Hello and welcome to my Strategy for Small and Mid-Sized Businesses video series. In this video we're going to be looking at the SWOT Analysis tool. This is a very well-known management tool and it's particularly good at summarising the outputs from a number of different analytical tools to increase focus and clarity, and it's often used in the strategic planning process. So let's take a closer look at the SWOT analysis. The SWOT analysis was originally created by Albert Humphrey, who was a business and management consultant at the Stanford Research Institute. Originally, it was called the SWOT analysis and was used in a research project to classify corporate planning failures. In 1964, Ulrich and Orr changed the F to a W and the SWOT analysis was born. But it's also known as the TOES analysis, but they are both precisely the same tool. One of the most common misunderstandings is that people believe the SWOT is an analysis tool. I often hear people say that they've done a SWOT analysis. In fact, it isn't an analysis tool. Instead, it's best used as a technique for classifying or summarizing outputs from other analytical tools. So let's take a closer look at the SWOT tool. The SWOT tool is so called because of the 4 categorizations of strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Strengths and weaknesses are attributes which are internal and can be controlled by the organization, things like people, processes, and assets. Opportunities and threats are things that are external and often cannot be controlled by the organization, things like government policy, economic downturns, new competitors, exchange rates, or new technologies. Let's look at each of these classifications in turn. Strengths are often things where you have a competitive advantage, things your customers know and like you for, or unique internal processes, capabilities, or know-how that you might have. Weaknesses are things that could prevent you from delivering your strategic plan, perhaps a particularly weak department or a lack of skills or knowledge, perhaps access to certain processes, know-how, or IP. Next we have opportunities, which might enable you to expand sales of existing products or develop and sell new products or expand into new markets. Whereas threats might result from changes which damage current sales or profitability, destroy markets, or make products obsolete or uncompetitive. There may also be changes in the competitive landscape which can pose threats, such as the arrival of new competitors, substitute products or technologies, or changes in your supply chain. So there you have it, a quick overview of the SWOT analysis or summary tool, which is often used in the strategic planning process. Well, I hope you found this video useful. If you'd like to know more about competitive business strategy for small and mid-sized businesses, you can go to my website and click on the Resources tab, or go to my Owen & Partners YouTube channel for more videos like this. If you need any further information or practical support implementing and benefiting from competitive business strategy, then contact us via the website or drop us an email.